Good morning, students. Hope you fine at your home. Today we start our class 7, section number 1, integer. Integer is also a type of number. Previous classes we already studied about the natural numbers, whole numbers. But here also some discussed about that numbers, various types of number. First one is natural number. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. Previous classes we already study about the natural number. When any number series start from 1, that is called natural number. Here the natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on, etc. are all the natural numbers. Second types of number is whole number. All the natural number together with 0 are called whole number. Thus 1, 2, these all are natural number including 0. The number series is called whole number. Finally, we can say when any number series start from 0, the number series is called whole number series. Right? Now come to the third important point, that is integer. What is integer? All natural number, 0 and negative number of counting numbers are called integer. Thus, here you see 0, these all are natural numbers. Here these all are negative number. All are negative number, which means including negative number, positive number and 0, the series is called integer numbers. First rule for addition of integer. In the addition we have three cases. Case 1, when addition between two positive number. For example, 3 plus 7. 3 is positive, 7 is also positive, which means here 3 and 7 both are positive. Then you see here result is also positive. 3 plus 7 is equals to 10 plus 10. Right? Case 2, when addition between two negative number, which means here you see, for example, 3 is negative, 7 is also negative. Minus 3 plus minus 7 both are negative, then result is also negative. Minus 10, 3 plus 7, 10, both are negative, that's why answer is also negative. Case number 3, when addition between positive number and negative number. When first number is positive, second number is negative. Here you see 10 is positive and 15 is negative. Then answer is minus 5. 10 minus 15 is equals to minus 5. Here sign of greater number will decide sign of result. Here 10 and 15, greater number is 15, that's why result is negative. No sign means positive. This is very important rule. If a number has no sign, it usually means that is a positive number. When any number has no any sign, that means it is a positive number. Here addition and subtracting integer by number line. Addition and subtracting integers by number line. So this is our number line. Here we have, you see, 1, 0. Here all the number is positive. Here all the numbers is negative. This means it is a positive side of number line. This is the negative side of the number line. Our first case is when both two numbers are positive, then which means what? 2 plus 3, which means if you first position is here, if you 0 to 2, then plus 3, then 1, 2, 3. If you move from 2 to 3 points ahead, then you finally your position is 5. That's why the answer is 5. When always the first position is origin position. Origin position means what? 0 position is our first position. In the question number 2, minus 2, minus 3. See here, minus 2 first, which means minus 2 here, minus 2. And now next number is minus 3. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Then you see, you reach minus 5. Then here the answer is minus 5. Question number 3. First number is positive, second number is negative. Okay. First number is positive, which is 3. 3 means what? Plus 3. When any person move to 0 to 3, then now next number is minus 2, which means you goes to negative side 2, 1 and 2. Then final position is plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. Then final answer is plus 1. For multiplication 2 or more integers, we have two cases. Multiplication integers rule. Case 1, if the sign of two numbers are same, the product is always a positive number, which means what? Here we have two numbers 2 and 3, but you see here both are positive, then answer is also a positive number. 2 multiplied by 3 is equals to 6. 6 means what? Plus 6. Similarly, we have one more example. Here also two numbers, but their sign is same. Minus 2, minus 3. Then so you see here the answer is positive, because according to our case number 1, if the sign of two numbers are same here, the product is always a positive number. That's why the answer is plus 6. Now move to the case number 2. If the sign of two numbers are different, the product is always negative. Here we have two numbers. First one is positive, second number is negative. But you see here the answer is negative, because we have two numbers but their sign is different. That's why the result is negative. Here also similarly, we have two numbers but their signs are unlike. This is my negative, this is positive. That's why the result will become a negative number, minus 6, because these two signs are different. According to our case number 2, if the sign of two numbers are different, the product, which means this, is always a negative number. Right? Understand? Exercise 1A, question number 1, evaluate first 15 plus inside the bracket minus 8, bracket close. Here the bracket is represented for multiply. So here plus inside the bracket minus, in between multiplication sign. We know the rule, case number 1, plus minus is equals to minus, which means finally we will write this question like this: plus minus minus 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. Question number 2. Here we have two integers, minus 7 plus inside the bracket minus 23, bracket close. Here also bracket is represented to multiplication sign, which means in this question minus 7 plus minus minus, and this is 23. these two integers both are negative, according to our rule, when both two integers are negative, then result is also negative, and 23 plus 7 is equals to 30, our finally answer. Question number 4, subtract. First question is 28 from minus 42. बेटा इसको मुझे थोड़ा इसको हिंदी में समझा देता हूँ. इसका मतलब होता है बेटा माइनस 42, 28 को माइनस करना है. समझ में आया बच्चों? माइनस 42 में से 28 को माइनस करना है. ज्यादातर स्टूडेंट इसमें गलती कर देते हैं, वो ऐसा लिख देते हैं 28 माइनस 42. इट इज रॉन्ग बेटा, ऐसा नहीं करना है. कैसे करना है? इसका मतलब क्या है बेटा? माइनस 42 में से 28 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. माइनस 42 में से, विच मीन्स माइनस 42 को पहले आप लिखेंगे, उसके बाद 28 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 28 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, मतलब ऐसा लिखाएगा. उसके बाद आप इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए. बिकॉज बोथ इंटीजर्स आर नेगेटिव, दैट्स व्हाई फाइनली रिजल्ट विल नेगेटिव, एंड बोथ इंटीजर्स वर एडेड. 42 28 प्लस 8 plus 2 10, 0 carry over 1, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1, and which means finally you will get minus 70. This is your answer. Now come to the second question. Here we have minus 37 from minus 53. Subtract का क्वेश्चन है बेटा, which means minus 53 में से minus 37 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. माइनस 53 में से माइनस 37 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, ऐसा लिखा है बच्चों. लेकिन दो साइन तो एक साथ कभी आते नहीं है. इनको सेपरेट करने के लिए मैथ्स में एक ब्रैकेट का यूज किया जाता है. स्मॉल ब्रैकेट कहते हैं इसे. इसका नाम स्मॉल ब्रैकेट है, लेकिन ये काम मल्टीप्लाई का करता है. तो यहां पर हम देखेंगे कि माइनस मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस, दिस इज पॉजिटिव. मैंने आपको बताया था दो साइन सेम वाले अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इट विल बिकम ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव साइन. देन हियर नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज माइनस 53 एज इट इज, माइनस मल्टीप्लाई बाय माइनस, इट इज पॉजिटिव 37. अब हियर वी हैव टू इंटीजर, बट फर्स्ट वन इज नेगेटिव, सेकंड वन इज पॉजिटिव. तो इस कंडीशन में बच्चों हम क्या करते हैं? ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव नंबर को आगे ले जाते हैं और नेगेटिव इंटीजर को ऑलवेज पीछे लिख देते हैं. उसके बाद हम बड़े नंबर में से, बड़े इंटीजर में से छोटे वाले इंटीजर को, स्मॉलेस्ट इंटीजर को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं. 53 माइनस 37 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे बेटा. 3 माइनस 7, ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. देन वी विल कैरी, इट इज बोरो 3. 3 will become 13. 13 minus 6. 4 minus 3. It will 1. Then finally you will get 16. But according to the rule, sign is always greater number sign. Which means who is greater beta? 37 or 53? Obviously 53 number is greater. That's why that sign is negative. This is your final answer. Now move to question number 8. The question number 8 is simplify. Middle bracket minus 13 minus inside the small bracket is minus 27. Small bracket close. Middle bracket is also close. Plus middle bracket open minus 25 minus small bracket open minus 40. Small bracket close and middle bracket close. Inside the middle bracket we see here minus into minus, which means here minus minus plus 27. Middle bracket close. Plus here also you see here minus into minus, minus into minus always positive. 25 positive 40. Similarly, last question, minus 30 plus 27 plus 27 always पहले लिखेंगे, क्योंकि 27 जो है वो पॉजिटिव नंबर है और नेगेटिव नंबर हमेशा उसके पीछे लिखे जाते हैं. प्लस here also 40 is positive, that's why 40 को हम पहले लिख देंगे और 25 को बाद में लिख देंगे. along with their sign पीछे लेके जाते हैं. -25 था, यहाँ पे -25 लिखा हमने. here 27 minus 13, 27 minus 13, 7 minus 3 it is 4, 2 minus 1 is equals to 1, which means here in solve this bracket you have to find 14. here 40 minus 15 it is 15, and addition both of these integer 4 plus 5 9, 1 plus 1 2, finally you will get 29. This is our final answer. Now move to question number 13. The sum of two integers is 65. If one of them is minus 31, find the other. Which means what? What problem को थोड़ा हिंदी में समझाते हैं आपको कि यहाँ पर क्या दिया बेटा, दो इंटीजर हैं जिनका सम हमें दिया है 65 और दो इंटीजर जो हैं उनमें से एक इंटीजर हमें दिया है -31. तो आपको पता करना है कि वो दूसरा इंटीजर क्या है. ओके, तो यानी कि हमें नहीं मालूम कि वो दो इंटीजर में से एक इंटीजर क्या है. तो हम मान लेते हैं ये है वो दो इंटीजर जिन दोनों का सम करने पर 65 आता है. अब इन दोनों इंटीजर में से एक इंटीजर हमें दिया हुआ है, वो है -31, यानी इस ब्रैकेट में हम रख देते हैं -31. और ये जो सेकंड इंटीजर है इसको हमें फाइंड करना है. तो हम मान लेते हैं कि ये हमारा x है. इसको कैसे लिखते हैं, लेट द सेकंड इंटीजर is x. तो हमें इस x की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो अब आप देखेंगे स्टूडेंट, ये क्या है, इक्वेशन है. इक्वेशन क्यों कह रहा है, क्योंकि इसमें एक इक्वल का साइन आया है. तो क्योंकि ये इक्वेशन है तो हम इक्वेशन में हमें मालूम है कि ये वाला जो साइड होता है इसे हम कहते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और ये वाला जो साइड होता है इसे हम कहते हैं राइट हैंड साइड. और इक्वेशन की कंडीशन के लिए क्लास 6 में हमने कुछ रूल पढ़े थे, उसको कहते थे ट्रांसपोजिशन रूल्स. तो यहाँ पर x के साथ जो नंबर है वो नेगेटिव नंबर है. अगर हम इस नंबर को दूसरे साइड ट्रांसपोज करेंगे तो देन इट विल बिकम पॉजिटिव, बिकॉज हियर दिस इज नेगेटिव. So after transposing this number will be become positive, x as it is, 65 also as it is, but this number is positive. Then you just add these two numbers 65 and 31 and finally you will get 96. This is your final answer.